Have you ever felt like your mind is your biggest enemy? Like no matter how much you try to stay positive, your own thoughts pull you back into darkness. This story is about a man who lost everything, not because he couldn't control his mind. His name was Daniel. From the outside, Daniel looked like a normal guy, a decent job, a small apartment, a few friends. But inside, he was a storm. Every morning, before he even opened his eyes, his mind would whisper, "You're not good enough." He carried those words with him like a shadow. At work, he hesitated to speak up, thinking his ideas were worthless. When someone criticized him, even gently, he took it as proof that he was a failure. Slowly, his world started to shrink. He stopped meeting friends, stopped smiling, stopped dreaming. The real prison was not his life, was his own mind. Months passed, and Daniel began to fall apart. He lost his job. His relationship ended. One night, sitting alone in his dark apartment, he stared at the ceiling and asked himself, "Why does my life keep falling apart?" And then something deep inside him whispered back, "Because you keep believing everything your mind tells you." That sentence hit him like lightning. He realized that his thoughts were not facts, they were habits. Habits of fear, doubt, and self-criticism that had taken root over the years. For the first time, Daniel decided to fight back, not against the world, but against his own negative patterns. The next morning, when the same old thought came, "You're not good enough," he stopped. He took a deep breath and said, "That's just a thought. It's not the truth." He started reading about the power of the mind, about mindfulness, about awareness. Every day he trained himself to watch his thoughts instead of drowning in them. He learned that the mind is like a wild horse. If you let it run wild, it will throw you into chaos. But if you train it with patience and awareness, it will carry you anywhere you want to go. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Daniel started to change. His energy became calmer. He smiled again. He got a new job, this time one he truly enjoyed. But more than success, he found peace. Because now, when his mind tried to pull him back into darkness, he knew how to silence it. He no longer believed every voice that spoke in his head. He learned that you can't control the world, but you can always control your mind. That single truth can change everything. Years later, Daniel shared his story with others who were struggling. He told them, "Your thoughts can either build you or break you. If you don't learn to control them, they'll destroy everything you love." His words touched hearts because they were true for everyone. We all live with a mind that sometimes lies to us, scares us, or limits us. But the power is always in our hands to choose which voice we listen to. If you master it, it will create your heaven. If you let it master you, it will create your hell. So whenever your mind tells you that you can't do something, smile and say, "Watch me. You are stronger than your fear, greater than your doubt, and far more powerful than the lies your mind tells you." The key to a better life is not in changing the world, it's in changing your thoughts. Don't let your mind control you. Teach it to serve you. Because once you control your mind, you control your destiny. So, if you're listening to this and you're struggling right now, don't give up. Calm your mind, feed it hope, and remind yourself that storms don't last forever. Your time is coming. The moment you take back control of your thoughts, your entire life will begin to change. Stay strong, stay awake, and never forget, the mind is powerful, but you are more powerful than your mind.